Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce energy consumption with EnergyHub, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce energy consumption using EnergyHub, start by downloading the EnergyHub app from your device's app store. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to connect your energy-consuming devices to the app. Ensure your smart thermostat, lights, and appliances are compatible with EnergyHub. Begin by navigating to the dashboard to get an overview of your energy usage. Identify which devices consume the most energy. Set up energy-saving schedules for your devices. For instance, program your thermostat to adjust temperatures automatically when you are away from home. Use the app to set timers on lights and appliances to reduce unnecessary usage. Enable geofencing to turn off devices automatically when you leave your home. Monitor the real-time energy usage notifications provided by EnergyHub. These alerts will help you stay informed about spikes in energy consumption. Take advantage of demand response programs offered by your utility provider through EnergyHub. This can help you save money and reduce peak energy usage. Review your monthly energy reports generated by the app to track your progress. Make adjustments based on this data for better energy management. Finally, explore EnergyHub's integration with renewable energy sources if applicable. Utilizing solar panels or wind turbines can significantly decrease your energy reliance. By following these steps, you'll effectively reduce your energy consumption with EnergyHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.